I just finished my 20 minutes home workout. So what I do now is I do 20 minutes workout when after my lunch break. So yeah, and then I'm gonna eat. So we are having salad for lunch. Dessert salad with salmon. With salmon, avocado, tomato, beetroot, and some other leaves, and the Greek feta. Added the feta cheese, and then the sauce will be reduced fat Caesar dressing. This is my salad, so I add anchovy and some croutons. Let's eat. It's like I'm eating superfood, but not really because there's bread in there. The salmon is quite spicy, so there's a good kick to it.